In this section I will talk about filtering, summaries and other features related to columns. Let's switch to PPC Manager. Here we have sample ad group which has 192 keywords. Let's say we want to filter that keywords. First we need to enable filter row. Now we see filter row, and let's say that now we want to see only keywords that have click-through rate which is greater than 2%, and at the same time they have conversion rate which is greater than 10%. So now we see only keywords which satisfy both criteria. We can remove filter by clicking on remove filter icon, or remove all filters, or we can just disable filter row, which will remove all filters. Next feature are summaries. To enable summaries, we need to click on summaries icon in the column header. Let's say we want to see summaries for clicks, and we'll select maximum, and also for cost column we'll select average and sum. So now we see that below both columns we have maximum clicks, average cost, and sum of all costs. We can easily remove all summaries by clicking on Clear All Summaries button. Next thing I want to show you is sorting. You can easily sort any column by clicking on its header. Small triangle shows sort order on the column, and if we click again, we'll change sort order and sort triangle will show that. Next thing I want to show is column chooser. We activate column chooser by clicking on column chooser icon, which is first icon in header row. Column chooser displays hidden and visible columns. By default, I have hidden some columns, so I will enable them again. So now I have enabled a few more columns, and I can scroll through all of that columns with the scroll bar. However, the problem is I don't see all the columns on the screen, and some columns are more important than others. For example, keyword column. I can solve that by saying that keyword column is fixed column. I go right click on column header of keyword column and I say fixed column, and now it's fixed on the left. So when I scroll, it stays on the screen. When I scroll down, we always see keyword column. It's easy to unfix it. Right click, unfix column. Now it's normal column again. Another approach to seeing all columns on the screen at once is just resizing them to fit the screen. For example, I will make type column smaller, and I will make first page bid estimate column wider. Or I can use feature called auto-fit column. We'll auto-fit column based on column data. I can also use feature auto-fit all columns, which will go through all visible columns and fit all columns to display visible data. So those are features related to columns.